Unveiling the essence of an unbreakable bond. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, an unbreakable bond. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used to describe a connection between people that is incredibly strong and enduring. Let's dive into what makes this bond unbreakable and how you can use this phrase in your conversations and writing. An unbreakable bond refers to a relationship or connection between individuals that is so strong and deep that it cannot be severed or broken by any external forces or challenges. This phrase is often used to describe relationships characterized by deep trust, loyalty, and mutual respect. It signifies a commitment that withstands the test of time and adversity. 1. Family ties. The bond between parents and their children is often considered unbreakable, rooted in unconditional love and lifelong commitment. 2. Friendship. Long-standing friendships can also exemplify this bond, especially those that have survived challenges and changes over the years. 3. Romantic partnerships. Couples who have weathered storms together and remained committed often share an unbreakable bond. 4. Comradeship in challenges. People who go through significant challenges together, such as soldiers in battle or teammates in sports, may develop this kind of deep connection. Describing relationships. The twins share an unbreakable bond that has only grown stronger over the years. In literature and movies, the story revolves around the unbreakable bond between the protagonist and their loyal companion. Expressing commitment. Despite the distance, we maintain an unbreakable bond that keeps us close at heart. The concept of an unbreakable bond transcends cultures, with each having its own interpretation and expression of deep, enduring connections. Exploring these variations can enrich our understanding of human relationships and the universal values of loyalty, love, and perseverance. We hope this exploration of an unbreakable bond has illuminated the depth and beauty of this phrase for you. Whether in personal relationships, literature, or observing the world around us, recognizing these bonds can inspire and uplift. Thank you for joining us today, and may you find and cherish the unbreakable bonds in your own life.